Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC U3000 indicates an SRS unit programming error, specifically related to the Supplemental Restraint System, SRS, in the Honda Odyssey models from 2011 to 2017. This error occurs during the updating process of the SRS unit when it is not completed properly. The SRS unit is crucial for the vehicle's safety system, as it controls the airbag deployment during collisions. If the vehicle has been involved in an accident, it's essential to verify that all necessary components have been replaced with new, correct part numbers and appropriately installed. Ignoring these conditions might lead to erroneous readings or malfunctioning of the SRS system. Drivers should be aware that not following proper procedures during the SRS unit update could lead to damage of the SRS unit itself, making it imperative to adhere to all troubleshooting guidelines thoroughly. The error denoted by DTC U3000-51 signifies a failure in the programming of the Supplemental Restraint System, SRS unit. This unit plays a crucial role in managing airbag deployment during accidents. Typically located under the center console of the Honda Odyssey, this component must be correctly updated to ensure optimal performance of the vehicle's safety systems. If the programming is interrupted or improperly completed, the vehicle's safety features may become inoperative. It's important to ensure that all SRS unit updates are done while adhering strictly to the manufacturer's guidelines, as improper handling can damage the unit. Thus, prior to starting repairs, one should check if the vehicle has been in a collision to confirm that all needed parts are in place. Several underlying issues could trigger DTC U3000-51 in the Honda Odyssey. First, an incomplete SRS update process can lead to programming errors, particularly if the procedure was interrupted. This interruption often stems from a premature action, like turning the ignition to the accessory, or lock position. Such actions can cause the SRS unit to enter a faulty state. Second, the incorrect ignition state during the update poses a critical risk. Adherence to the correct operational mode is necessary for successful updates. Lastly, any collision-related damage to components within the SRS framework can result in this error. Therefore, verifying the integrity and proper part number of components is essential. Any of these causes necessitate immediate attention to restore the SRS functionality. Upon encountering DTC U3000-51, various symptoms may become apparent. A primary warning would be the illumination of warning lights on the dashboard, typically related to the SRS system. This serves as a crucial visual indication that users should not ignore. Additionally, the SRS system malfunction indicator may start to flash or remain lit while driving, indicating that the system is compromised. Furthermore, a more severe symptom can be the airbag system becoming inoperative, posing significant safety risks during a collision. It is essential for drivers to address these symptoms immediately to ensure the vehicle's safety systems are functional and reliable. The first step in the troubleshooting procedure for DTC U3000-51 is to perform the SRS unit update. Following the manufacturer's guidelines to properly update the SRS unit is essential to resolve the programming error. This process should be conducted in a controlled environment, ensuring that no interruptions occur during the update. Specific tools and diagnostic equipment, especially the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, may be required to ensure the update is accurate. Furthermore, the technician should verify that no prior component replacements were required in the event of a collision. It is critical to perform this step correctly to prevent potential damage to the SRS unit and to re-establish proper functionality of the safety systems. Once the SRS unit update has been performed, the next step involves clearing any diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs, using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. This process is vital as it ensures that any erroneous codes generated during the failed programming attempt are removed from the vehicle's memory. Utilizing the HDS properly will help reset the vehicle's computer systems, allowing a fresh read of the system status. Clearing the DTCs will help in verifying whether the update was successful or if the issue persists. It is crucial to not skip this step, as it directly affects the accuracy of subsequent troubleshooting. A clean slate will allow technicians to accurately diagnose the system based on current conditions and potential new faults. In this third step, you must turn the ignition switch to the on mode position, or use the engine start-stop button to select the on mode and wait for 10 seconds. This action is important as it triggers the vehicle's electronic systems to initialize and begin the self-check processes. During this period, the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, will reevaluate the SRS unit status. By allowing the system to settle, potential issues might be surfaced, providing a clearer diagnostic picture. It is critical not to interrupt this process, as interference could lead to further complications. This waiting period ensures that the systems are fully powered up and ready for a thorough check of any lingering DTC data. The fourth step requires checking for any diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs, with the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. This is a crucial part of confirming whether the SRS unit update was successful. If DTC U3000-51 is still indicated after clearing the previous codes, it points to an unresolved programming error. Conversely, if the DTC is no longer present, the update can be deemed successful, indicating that the SRS unit is functioning correctly. Addressing the codes that may be present can direct technicians to other underlying issues that need attention. It is crucial to document the findings from this check for future reference and possible corrective actions to ensure the airbag system operates as intended. After completing all troubleshooting and repair steps, a final verification is necessary to ensure everything has been rectified regarding the DTC U3000-51. This involves conducting a thorough check to confirm that all repairs performed have effectively resolved the initial issues. It is essential to scrutinize the vehicle systems once again using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to ensure no DTCs are present. This step will confirm that the SRS unit programming has been correctly updated and that all related components are functioning as they should. Additionally, such verification helps reassure the vehicle owner of optimal safety levels in the vehicle's operations. Failure to properly verify the repairs could lead to reoccurrence of issues, compromising safety. Preventive maintenance is vital to avoid future occurrences of DTC U3000-51. Following SRS precautions and procedures during repairs or updates is fundamental to ensure the integrity of the Supplemental Restraint System, SRS. It is recommended to routinely check the system's functionality as part of regular vehicle maintenance. This includes ensuring that any updates are performed correctly and that the vehicle has not experienced any impacts that could necessitate component replacement or realignment. Maintaining an updated log of all repairs and checks can help catch potential issues before they escalate. Furthermore, advising the vehicle's owner about the importance of adhering to manufacturer recommendations for service and updates can significantly improve the overall safety and reliability of the vehicle. In conclusion, Understanding the implications of DTC U3000-51 is essential for maintaining the safety systems within the Honda Odyssey 2011 to 2017 models. Properly completing the SRS unit update is critical to avoid unnecessary errors that can lead to potentially hazardous conditions. The outlined troubleshooting steps give technicians a comprehensive guide on how to approach this issue methodically. Consistently performing preemptive checks and adhering to recommended safety procedures can significantly mitigate risks associated with the SRS system. Ultimately, ensuring that all components are in working order and that updates are professionally executed forms the backbone of reliable vehicle safety features, providing not just compliance, but peace of mind for drivers and passengers alike. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.